Direct transfer is used when we don't have in-transit code, meaning that we are going to have direct transfer between source location and destination location. And this is very useful in scenarios where the both locations are nearby and we don't need to use in-transit code or in-transit locations. And we can, for example, process this transfer within 1 day. So let's go and see how we can process direct transfer inside Dynamics 365 Business Central. I will again navigate to transfer orders and I'll create a new transfer order. Let's now return items between red and blue location. So in our case, I will say I want to transfer from red and I want to transfer to code blue. System will automatically insert, as we can see, in-transit code, but as we can complete this transfer very fast, we are going to select it is direct transfer. And now system will clean in-transit code and me as a user cannot select this here. Okay, let me now find my item. So it was item 120 minus S. And let's transfer one conference table Antwerp from red location to blue. Once I finished entering the item and the quantity, my next step is to post this transfer order. When I click post, system will automatically start posting process and it will not bring any pop-up message that I need to confirm the posting or that I need to select that I want to ship like it was in previous case. So as you can see, be aware that when you click post on a transfer order, system will automatically start posting routine. We see that transfer order has been successfully posted. And let's now see what happened with item ledger entries. So if we go to items, and then we found item Antwerp conference table, and we go to inventory. We see that now we have direct transfer between red location and blue location. So we don't use any more outsourced logistics, so we are using only direct transfer between red and blue location. And this is how direct transfer works when you don't use in-transit codes inside Dynamics 365 Business Central.